Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I do want to show you with this short tutorial how you can crochet these straight lines and this really neat raffia crochet work. I do want to show you step by step because this is one of the new techniques that is now out there, and a lot of brands are using this technique, and by using this technique you can work only in the front all your double crochets, and that means that you don't need to work in the back. If you work in the front and then in the back your work it is not going to be the same. But if you work all the stitches in the front, then you see how neat your work it is going to be. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So first I usually start with a cord base. So I will tangle my hook like this, then I will put the two fingers and then yarn over, pull through. Then I'm going to insert the hook here to the loop that I was keeping with my fingers. Then I have now two loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through the two loops, and then I have the loop here that I kept with the two fingers. And now I have two loops on the hook, and then I will just repeat this action over and over again until I have the amount of stitches that I want to. So just repeat this action. Insert the hook, two loops, put the fingers, yarn over, pull through, insert the hook through the loop, and go on. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So once you have the desired length, I am going to pull through the first loop through the second one, and I'm going to turn like this. And because I'm working with double crochet, I'm going to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, and 3. And the double crochets in this case, we are not going to do, normally the double crochets are yarn over one time, but in this case I'm gonna yarn over twice. So I will yarn over twice, like this. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do, I will take the end that I have on my finger, and I will just pull a lot of yarn, like this. Just follow my actions. And I am going to bring it here at the back because we are going to work over this other end, this other yarn as well. So twice yarn over, then insert the hook on the next stitch, which is this one, and this one is in the middle, and yarn over and pull through. And then I have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops in the same time. So you can see that now we have this other end going through, passing through, so we can pull on both sides. This is a very and you can see that this connects, right, where we have the yarn with this one connects. It's the same yarn. So now you have a clear picture. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yarn over twice, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. And just this is how we do until the end. So we do all the stitches until the end. Now this loop that I have at the last stitch, I am actually going to use a stitch marker, and I'm gonna close this one so it will not escape. I'm gonna pull it a little bit, but just like this, fix it. Then the next thing that we are going to do is pull the yarn on this other side. So just pull it. And that's it. Now we have the yarn on this side and we can start working crocheting again from this side. So insert the hook. I had 3 chains, so I will insert it at the top chain, pull through, and I'm gonna do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then I am going to take the other hand, same as we did for the previous row. So just pull some yarn. Okay, so this is the end, and here twist and keep this with both hands, with both fingers here. Now we can work all the stitches, but by having this yarn also underneath. So yarn over twice, insert the hook now. So these 3 chain stitches correspond to these 3 chain stitches, so the next stitch is this one. So here I yarned over twice. I will insert the hook, not at the top grabbing the stitch, but here where I have this diagonal yarn, so at the side, like this. So I will put in all this at the top. Yarn over, pull through, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. This is how I'm going to work the stitches. I'm not going to grab the 2 loops at the top of the stitch, but I'm going to grab actually on this side of the stitch, always on the this diagonal yarns over here. So twice yarn over. This now is grabbed and is trapped in the middle, so we can pull and push as we want. So yarn over twice, and again here at the bottom insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Just keep doing that now until the end. So you can see now that the stitches are straight. And now at the last stitch, we also have this loop over here. So what we are going to do is yarn over twice, and then take out the marker and be careful not to escape. So insert the hook here and get through this. Insert the hook through the loop here, and then pull it also one time, the yarn that you have in the center. So now we have 5 loops, because we have also this at the back. So I'm going to close them 2 by 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through another 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 3. And you can see now that I have this loop here, which I'm going to do again. Insert here the marker, the stitch marker, and now I have this yarn that I can pull it on the other side and tied it up, so then the stitches and I have the yarn at this side, at this other end, so I can just start building on top and crochet again from this side, from the right to the left. And I will just do that again and again and again until I have the desired length. It's just very easy, and this is how it will work. So I will just crochet again the 3 chain stitches here, and don't forget to keep the other end here in the middle, so then you work over it. And always do not insert the hook at the 2 loops on the top, but actually insert the hook right here where we have this diagonal loops, yarns over here for each stitch. And just be careful here at the end to grab this last stitch and then just pull the yarn on this side and start over again. So I think this is quite easy to understand, and you can see that the quality of the stitches is really neat. You can see that your work, it is going to look really neat, and you don't have to work forth and back, and you're going to have the same stitch over and over again. So I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and this technique, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!